Over the last decade, we've seen tremendous growth in recovered paper, both in terms of availability and in terms of demand, and the two have stayed roughly in proportion. However, the paper sector, the main user of recovered paper, has also started to see changes. We're starting to see the decline of the graphics sector in some regions and some grades, and we're also seeing collection rates for recovered paper starting to approach their maximum in some cases. This generates a real stress on the market. In particular, if we start to look at China, we've seen major growth over the last decade, and this growth has been enabled by the availability of recovered paper coming from countries such as the US, Japan and the UK. But if those countries are starting to approach their maximum collection rates, how sustainable this is into the future? Also, could China collect more recovered paper itself as its economy grows and its paper consumption grows? This leads to a number of questions, and the two key questions that we're being posed by our clients are: what is the availability of fibre going forward, and what is the price of fibre going forward? As a consequence of this, we've developed a number of models using a scenario what-if based approach, and from this we've generated a number of interesting answers. But whichever way we look at it, we're facing an increasingly stressed market.